Hi friends, welcome back to English Worms. So I'm sorry once again because I did not make video on 18 November. That's why I'm making the video to cover both of the days. That is, it is the current affairs GK of 18 and 19 November 2021. So without delay, let us start the video. So this is question number 1. The question is Bhagwan Birsa Munda Smriti Udyan cum Freedom Fighters Museum has been recently inaugurated in which Indian state? Again, Bhagwan Birsa Munda Smriti Udyan cum Freedom Fighters Museum has been recently inaugurated in which Indian state? Options are Odisha, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh. The right answer is option B, that is Jharkhand. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Bhagwan Birsa Munda Smriti Udyan cum Freedom Fighters Museum in Ranchi via video conferencing. Jharkhand was carved out of Bihar on the birth anniversary of Birsa Munda, the 19th century freedom fighter and tribal leader, on November 15, 2000. The state's Chief Minister Hemant Soren launched a universal pension scheme for vulnerable sections to mark the state's foundation day. So question number 2, Baba Saheb Purandare, who passed away recently, was associated with which profession? Again, Baba Saheb Purandare, who passed away recently, was associated with which profession? Options are sports person, historian, business person, politician. The right answer is option B, that is historian. Eminent historian and author Baba Saheb Purandare passed away at the age of 99 due to ailments associated with old age and pneumonitis. Purandare, a celebrated writer and theatre personality, was known for his work on the history of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was also written several books on Shivaji, who sorry he has also written several books on Shivaji, his style of administration, as well as the forts from the period. Maharashtra also announced state funeral for the historian. Question number 3, which country won the T20 World Cup trophy in 2021? The right answer is Australia. The options are among the options, that is New Zealand, Australia, England, South Africa. The right answer is Australia. So Australia has recently won its maiden T20 World Cup trophy after 14-year long wait. Australia chased the 173 run target set by New Zealand due to Kane Williamson's 85 runs. Australia had reached the final match in 2010. However, the team has not reached the summit class after that. Australia also set a new record for the highest successful run chase as they reached 173 with 7 balls to spare. Question number 4, which country is said to host the first Tribal Nations Summit since 2016? Options are India, USA, Japan, Russia. The right answer is option B, that is USA. The United States is said to host the first Tribal Nations Summit since 2016. President Joe Biden will announce steps to improve public safety and justice for Native Americans during the summit. Leaders from more than 570 tribes in the United States are expected to participate in the two-day event. The summit is being held virtually due to the COVID-19 pandemic that has heavily affected Native Americans and Alaska Natives. Question number 5. Which state has approved Kaiser-i-Hind as the state butterfly? Which state has approved Kaiser-i-Hind as the state butterfly? Options are Assam, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Odisha. Right answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. The Arunachal Pradesh State Cabinet, headed by Chief Minister Pema Khandu, approved the large brightly colored Kaiser-i-Hind as the state butterfly. The cabinet meeting was held at the Pakke Tiger Reserve. For the first time, Kaiser-i-Hind means Emperor of India. This butterfly with a 90 to 120 mm wingspan is found in 6 states. Question number 6. Checkmate. A new stealth aircraft seen in the news is being developed by which country? Again, checkmate. A new stealth aircraft seen in the news is being developed by which country? Options are USA, Russia, China, Israel. The right answer is option B, Russia. Russia is developing its second stealth fighter jet after the twin-engine Su-57 Phelan. Su-75 Checkmate, the new stealth aircraft, is also known as the Light Tactical Aircraft (LTC). The aircraft has been developed by the United Aircraft Corporation, which is a part of State Defense and Technology conglomerate Rostec. Checkmate is a fifth generation light fighter jet which will take its maiden flight in 2023. Question number 7. Which country has launched a campaign to attract over 30,000 talents globally to study, work and establish startups by 2023? Options are Germany, Finland, Australia, Norway. The right answer is option B, Finland. Finland has recently launched a Future is Made in Finland campaign under which it is planning to attract over 30,000 skilled talents globally, including from India, to study, work and establish startups in the country by 2023. Finland is also voted the world's happiest country for the fourth year based on Finnish government program 2019 to 2023. The country is aiming to get 10,000 skilled talents in Finland annually. Again, question number 8. Which institution has launched the Swavalamban Challenge Fund? SCF. Which institution has launched the Swavalamban Challenge Fund? Options are NABARD, SIDBI, SIDBI, SEBI, RBI. The right answer is option B, that is SIDBI. SIDBI. Okay. So, Small Industries Development Bank of India has launched the second window of Swavalamban Challenge Fund. The theme of the fund is Green Bharat. The focus of the fund is on innovative projects addressing the green and clean climate change. Other themes are sustainable livelihood, financial inclusion, and access to financial services and promoting the culture of entrepreneurship. A challenge fund is a financing mechanism to allocate funds for specific purposes using competition among organizations. The first window of SCF was launched in August this year. Next question. This is question number 9. Mannu Bhandari, who passed away recently, was associated with which field? Mannu Bhandari, who passed away recently, was associated with which field? Options are sports, literature, politics, business. Right answer is option B, literature. Mannu Bhandari, a famous author in Hindi literature, passed away recently at the age of 90. She is the author of classic works such as Mahabhoj and Aapka Banti. Some of her most famous works include Ye Sach Hai, Ek Inch Muskaan, and Hong, and stories for children like Aankho Dekha Jhoot, Asmata, Kalabha. She published her autobiography in the title Ek Kahani Ye. She received several prominent literary awards in the country, including Bas Sanman. So this is the last question of the day. The question is, as per the data on eShram portal, which occupation sector has been the maximum registrations from informal workers? Again, as per the data on eShram portal, which occupation sector has seen the maximum registrations from informal workers? Options are construction, agriculture, domestic and household workers, none of the above. The right answer is option B, that is agriculture. eShram portal is the country's first centralized database of unorganized workers seeded with Aadhaar. The occupation-wise registration data shows the maximum registrations have been seen in the agriculture sector, that is 53.6%, followed by construction, that is 12.2%, and domestic and household workers, that is 8.71%. Of the over 7.86 crore registrations on the database, 40.5% belong to other backward classes, 27.4% to the general category, 23.7% to the scheduled castes, and 8.3% to the scheduled tribes. So now this is turn to answer the question I had asked on 17th November 2021. The question was, the Commonwealth Games started from which among the following countries? Options are England, Australia, Canada, India. So the right answer is Canada. So Canada is the country where Commonwealth Games were started for the first time. So this is the question of the day. The question is, which union ministry launched development of wind parks or wind solar hybrid park? Again, which union ministry launched development of wind parks or wind solar hybrid park? Options are Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Ministry of Power, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So answer this question in the comment box. I'll answer this question in my next video. Till then, thank you and stay healthy, stay safe. God bless you all. Thank you all.